I'm your browser buddy. If you ever tried to install a Chrome extension on Android, you already know the pain. You search for the extension, you open Chrome, and there is no button to add it. That is because the normal Google Chrome app on Android does not support extensions. So today, I will show you 5 Android browsers that can run Chrome extensions. You will see how to install them, how to manage them, and what to watch out for so you stay safe. 1. Quetta Browser pain point. You want extensions on mobile, but you still want a clean browser, fast, no ads, and a simple extension manager. That is why Quetta is interesting. It is made for extensions on Android. On-screen steps. Open Play Store. Search Quetta Browser. Install and open it. Now I am inside Quetta. Tap the menu button. Find Manage Extensions. Open it. Here is the extension page. Tap the option to add extensions. Choose Chrome Web Store or the store option Quetta shows. Now, for the demo, I will install something simple, like a Max Focus extension. Search the extension name. Tap Add to Chrome. Confirm Add Extension. Now go back. You will see it in the installed list. This is where you can enable, disable, or remove it. Quick tip on screen. If a website is acting weird, disable the last extension you installed first. That usually fixes it. Shh. Now let us move to the most popular option. 2. Kiwi Browser pain point. You want the biggest extension support on Android, and you want direct access to the Chrome Web Store. Kiwi is known for that. On-screen steps open Play Store, or your trusted app source. Install Kiwi Browser and open it. Now inside Kiwi, tap the 3 dots menu. Tap Extensions. Now you have 2 options. Option A, install from Chrome Web Store 5. Tap Open Chrome Web Store 6. Search the extension you want. 7. Tap Add to Chrome. 8. Confirm Add Extension. Now the extension shows up inside the extensions page. Option B, load your own extension file. If you already downloaded an extension file like CRX or ZIP or a user script file, Kiwi can load it. In the extensions page, look for the import or load option. Select the file from your phone storage. Confirm. Now I will show you where to use it. Go back to the main browser screen. Tap the 3 dots menu again. Many extensions appear in this menu, so you can open them quickly. Quick tip: if the Chrome Web Store page looks broken on mobile, turn on Desktop Site from the same menu. It makes the Add button easier to press. Now let us do a super fast one. 3. Mises Browser pain point. You want extensions on mobile, but you want a setup that is quick and simple. On-screen steps. Install Mises Browser. Open it. Now inside Mises. Tap the browser logo button. Tap Extension. Now look for the 3 dots inside this extension screen. Tap the 3 dots. Tap Web Store. Search your extension. Tap Add to Chrome. Confirm. Back here, you can manage it the same way. Enable, disable, remove. Quick tip: if an extension does nothing after installing, close the browser fully, then open it again. Some extensions only start working after a restart. 4. Yandex Beta or Yandex Alpha pain point. Sometimes you want extensions for tasks like marketing checks, domain research, lead tools, or quick utilities, and you want another option besides Kiwi. Yandex has an experimental build that supports extension stores. On-screen steps install Yandex Beta or Yandex Alpha. Open it. Now inside Yandex, tap the menu. Turn on Desktop Site first. Now we install. In the address bar, search Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome Web Store page. Find your extension. Tap Add to Chrome. Confirm Add Extension on the pop-up. Now to manage extensions. Tap the menu again. Scroll until you see Extensions. Open it. Here you can see what is installed and control it. Quick tip: if you cannot find extensions in the menu, update the app, then check again. These features can appear only in the experimental builds. 5. Lemur Browser pain point. You want a browser that focuses on extensions, including Chrome extensions, Edge extensions, and even TamperMonkey support. That is Lemur. On-screen steps install Lemur Browser. Open it. Now inside Lemur, open the menu. Look for Extensions or Extension Store. Now you usually get store options. Choose Chrome Web Store or Edge add-ons. Search your extension, tap Add to Chrome. Confirm. Then come back to the Extensions Manager. Enable or disable the extension. If it has settings, open Settings from here. Quick tip: for scripts and page tweaks, TamperMonkey style tools can be powerful, but be careful. Only use scripts from sources you trust. Wrap up. So that is the full setup. Quetta for a clean extension-focused browser. Kiwi for the classic Chrome Web Store experience. Mises for quick installs. Yandex experimental builds as another strong option. Lemur for heavy extension users and extra store choices. Now tell me in the comments, which extension do you want on your phone first? And if you want, I can make a follow-up video where I share the best extensions that actually work well on Android for study, productivity, and YouTube work. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.